Okay, question 16 is a pie charts question, and we are told in our table the number of fish that are in a lake. Now, to do a pie charts question, the first thing you have to work out is the total frequency of our fish. When we add that up, you should find we get 72. So this whole pie chart needs to represent 72 fish. Okay, our whole pie chart has 360 degrees. If it's going to represent 72 fish, then one fish will be represented by 5 degrees. So now we can find out this column in our table by timesing each number by 5. So 10 times 5 is 50, 23 times 5 is like 115, and 39 times 5 is 195. Now check that these add up to 360. 5 plus 5 is 0, carry the 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 9 is 15, plus 1 is 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 360. So that's fine. Okay, so now we've got to mark these onto our pie chart. Okay, now most of you seem to be using these protractors because you don't actually bring your own into lessons, so we're going to use a full protractor. Okay, so the perch needs to be 50 degrees, so we set the center of our compass to be at the center of the circle, make sure 0 is at the top, and we scroll around until we see 50. So mark a point at exactly 50. Okay, take your protractor away, or the school's protractor, and draw that line in. Okay, now make sure in the second one you put your center back to the center of the circle, but you turn your pie chart until 0 is now at that line. And now we need to measure an angle of 115, so we keep turning 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, so 115 will be down here. So mark a point there. Okay, take your protractor away and then draw a line from there. And in the final part, you should always check that the final angle is exactly what you said it was in your table earlier. So turn 0 till we get to that point there, and then count all the way around right back to the start, and we see that that is 195. Perhaps just one out. The examiner will probably give me the benefit of the doubt there. Okay, now show this information, make sure you put in your protractor now the information. So this was perch, this was bream, and everybody's favourite, nice bit of carp. Okay, there we go.